We are live. We are live. Getting videos of the Z at the moment. Yes, sir. We're doing before and after clips. And what is happening is I've taken the car to Mr. Josh at JP Detailing. Is that right? JP Detailing, eh? Just Perfect Detailing. JPD's on the move. He's going to do a big 2-stage polish on it.
2-stage with my graphene coating.
And he's going to put... He's going to...
This guy's trying to steal my TV. You're on TV.
What are we doing here?
I'm trying to play Minecraft while you guys clean it.
How are we doing?
Yeah, not bad. Look at the sad face on it.
Look at this.
You neglect this fucking...
I neglect this car. Oil changes every 50,000 Ks. Yeah, I am.
Are you recording?
I'm recording you.
Okay.
Before you go, do you want to explain what you're doing?
Right, so what I've done is I've done 2 caps of Green Star by Kochikimi in this one, and that is basically an APC, so it basically makes your decon a little bit more aggressive, so if there's any tar contaminants and stuff like that, it breaks it down partially, so then when you go to do your clay bar and my brain's gone. When you do your clay mix, it takes it off really easily, you know, so it's not embedded as hard. So that's what I'm doing. So I'm basically destroying the car.
Cool.
That's what I'm doing.
Just finished an absolute feed. Got my southern chicken bites. Don't know what the fuck they're called, to be honest. They taste good. Garlic bread. And now, Mr. JP, look at that. He's setting up the cam at the moment. Is this for the live?
Thumbnail.
Ah, thumbnail. Bro's not managing the stream. Josh is about to detail the car. We've got the TikTok live going. Let's say hello to the live. Yeah. Hello, live.
The two young
Oh, fuck, I look like an idiot. Can you stop dropping shit on my car? Did it hit my car again?
It touched it, yeah.
This guy's gonna put multiple scratches in my car, man. That's the second time in like 2 minutes. Show the scores. Can't even see it. Who? What?
Oh my
God.
god!
Oh!
No way!
Oh!
Are you?
Champion. Must be for me, eh? Oh. Champion. No one cares. It's all good. Look at this beast. Man, she's a beaut. She's a beaut. Date with bro. On a date with bro.
So shiny.
It actually looks brand new. What do we have? What do we have here?
PGC says 1 year, but it's actually 3 to 5 for this.
Why does it say
That's for
one?
agriculture. It's for farm equipment. Okay, so it's either I'm gonna go thick-ish coating on that side, medium coating on the side, and I'll see
Which
one works better.
So it is the next day. We are back. Mr. JP's been working on the car this morning while we've been out doing some, what did we do? We went mini golfing, we've gone out and had some food, gone out and done a little bit of shopping, getting ready for a little gig we're going out to tonight. And Josh has completed the 2-stage polish on the car. And now, as you can see, he's beginning the graphene coating now. So what he's gonna do is he's gonna do a test patch on the left side, which is that a medium you've done on the left side?
So light on this side, heavy on that side.
Okay, light on this side and heavy on the left-hand side.
So just seeing what works better for the car, because obviously it does have a softer clear coat and they can be a real dick to do. So we're just kind of seeing what's gonna work better for it.
Cool. So we'll let that dry off for now. How long would you estimate that that's gonna take to dry?
3 minutes at most.
So a couple minutes and we'll see the result.
Feel that right? Like, hear the rubber go off?
Yep. Oh yeah.
It's working, baby. Woo! So far, it's been pretty good.
Bro, this panel A, the one you've already done, fuck, that just looks so good. Wow. You can actually see, when you're looking for it, you can see a visible difference between the one you did graphene and one you haven't graphened yet.
Yeah, it's slightly darker.
Slightly darker, but also slightly more just clear. Like the panel looks more shiny,
Yeah,
more reflective. Wow, look at the shiny. Oh, you see that difference there? Look at that.
this shit is cool.
Incredible.
And it'll stay like that for like basically ever.
Yeah. So after doing the 2 test patches on the roof, what have you ended up deciding doing? The kind of heavier or the towards a lighter side?
Just medium, in between.
In between.
For now, that's what it seems like it likes.
Yeah.
I fucking hate this. This is the part that scares the shit out of me. The bonnets can be really cunty, dude. Honestly. This is either gonna go completely right or completely fucking south. We'll go halfway. Yeah. Shut up, Max.
Go away! You want to sniff this?
Go somewhere.
Don't go anywhere. Don't go anywhere.
Do you want to sniff it? It won't be in your nostril gaze.
It's come out super clean, man. So Josh is pretty much almost done with the car now. He's done the hood, the front fenders, the roof, part of the boot lid, and so he's just bringing in the doors now. Then he'll do the rear fenders and he'll bring in the bootay. And we're going out now with me and old mate. So we'll leave Josh to it and we'll come back when she is all done tomorrow. Look at the shine from this angle. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, guys, but the shine from here is absolutely crazy compared to what this was before. But yeah, so what we'll do tomorrow when the car's all done and the graphene is all dried out and it's all set nicely and all finished up, what we'll do is we'll take it for a drive up some of the Christchurch hills, which will be slightly different to what we're used to at home on this channel. We'll leave Josh to it and we'll see you tomorrow. Ladies and gentlemen, it's now day 3 and Mr. Josh has finished the car. He's put tire shine on, he's done the full graphene all around the car, and this is absolutely stunning. This car has come out so well. I'm so happy with the job he's done on it. Look how shiny this thing looks now, man. What do you think?
It's fucking beautiful.
We're gonna go out for a drive now. We're going up to Akaroa, correct? And there's some really nice hills, some really nice twisties on the way.
Get some exterior clips in the way as well.
That would be good, actually. Love this car. These roads are beautiful though, man. Ah, gorgeous. This is raw driving, people. Open the window here. Get some sound off the hill, hopefully.
You have to be looking. It's the fun of it and the downside.
Wow. Wow. Wait, is this Diamond Hub over here?
No, that's Agreement.
Oh, that's Agora.
Yep.
Gotcha. You know what? The more I've driven this hard, actually got the gears going and driving a bit spirited, it's kind of loosened up the gearbox in a good way. Like every gear change is feeling smoother at the moment.
Why don't you drop me off and I can do a video of you going through here?
But yeah, let's have a look up
Wow,
here.
it's beautiful. Holy shit.
Yeah. You know what, people? I mean, it's a dream to go on the Autobahn if you haven't been before. Obviously, it'll be a dream to go on the Nürburgring too. I think we all dream of that. But if there's any roads you ever need to drive on in your life, it's New Zealand roads, man. I'll come back. So I've dropped the bro off. We're going to spin around, and we're gonna spin around again, and then we're gonna do a drive-by shot.
I've been abandoned.
What the fuck is this shit?
I did find a bullet though.
Spin around here again. Man, this car's so good. Alright, we'll spin around here again. Go pick the boy up. Yeah, once the transmission's warmed up, man, it just goes in so smooth, bro. How's that?
Fucking clean. Holy. Found a bullet.
What the fuck?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. I'd like to get scenic shots for your big ass head, isn't it?
We'll get some on the way back, because it'll be on your side.
Although we could actually do the full loop and go through down now, but potentially, I don't know. Although we could go through down Dunstable. You could even go to Agora. You can actually keep going, following through it all the way around through to Agora. Down and through.
Oh, this car is so good.
It's so unbelievably planted, man.
So unbelievably raw and fun.
I'm just getting rattled around. Hey, getting rattled around in the seat.
They actually keep you in pretty snug though.
Slow down, man. It's good. Guys, buy a 350Z, they're fun.
Buy a 350Z, they are fun.
Oh, that was a really big pole.
I didn't see that. Hey?
Stop up here. Stop there.
Oh, that would be a really good shot for YouTube actually. If I reverse over there with that. There you can go. Oh, the car looks so good. Wow. Wow. I think, yeah, wheels that way. Okay. No, that should be fine. reminds me of the Top Gear roads I used to drive on in Scotland.
Ah, yes.
Because some of the roads in Scotland are similar to this. Just so stunning. Bro, the shifting is so good. Ah.
That was beautiful.
Bam! Oh shit. Man, look at this view. Oh. This is peak New Zealand. Oh, I'm pretty tired now. Could do some food.
Yeah,
That's why I was thinking stop up in Akira, get some food, and then go.
There's that cheap place there. It's like real cool burgers, cheap burgers.
Show us what you got. Oh, chicken burger.
Chicken burger.
Give that a taste. How's that? Dreamy. I got a giant Bugger Me burger. Bugger Me burgers. Right, let's give this a go. Got some barbecue sauce as well. And we got some medium fries, which is quite large for it.
Chicken burger, look at this.
Bugger Me, man.
Oh my days. How much do you pay for that shit?
15 bucks.
15 bucks. 50 New Zealand dollars as well, man.
No, it's like $7 or $8 US.
Mental. Give it a year. Put it on video right now. Within the next year, I'm not buying an S14. Whether I have to finance it and sell my soul to the devil, I will buy an S14.
Oh man. Met this other Z owner. We just pulled over for some pictures. This thing's pretty nice, eh? Got some nice wheels on it. Owner just put those on. So yeah, we just parked up for some photos at the moment. And we'll be heading back to Christchurch soon.